In this video, I'm going to talk about the copywriting hack that makes writing quicker and easier and much more fun. So, the biggest secret that copywriters keep from the rest of the world is that they make everyone believe that they can just sit down and start writing, that inspiration just flows out of their brain, and because they are good with words, they can just sit down and write anything quickly and easily. And that is just not true. Just because you can write or you feel like you're a wordsmith does not mean that what you're going to write just comes instantly from your head and you know exactly how to word it all. What we do first is called voice of customer research. And the fact that you are not doing this is probably the reason why writing feels so painful and takes so long. There's lots of different ways to do voice of customer research, but you have to do some first in order to write anything. If you're just writing a caption, you might do 2 minutes of voice of customer research. If you're writing a website, you might do 4 hours. The length depends on the length of what you're writing, but the crux of the matter is you cannot just block out some time in your calendar, sit down and think inspiration is going to strike. You have to do some research first. Now, I have developed a methodology for doing voice of customer research called my clever trick method, and I teach it in my website, Words Academy. But there is one part of the clever trick method, which is called reviews. It's the R in trick. And that is where we go around Amazon, lots of different review sites, but Amazon, and we mine words from Amazon book reviews that your audience is using. And what you want to do is look for reoccurring messages or patterns and copy and paste them out of Amazon and put them in a doc so you can use them in your words. And I teach you how to do that in the video, which I will share the link to in the notes. But what I want you to remember is that when you're thinking about writing anything, when we're thinking about wordology or the science behind words that resonate and create clicks and create conversions, if we're weaving science into it, research really is so important. You have to sit down and do some voice of customer research before you write anything. It could be 2 minutes of voice of customer, it could be 4 hours, depending on the length of what you're writing. But either way, it really is going to change the game for you. Whenever I teach this to my clients or students, they are blown away by how much easier it makes writing for your business. So I am sharing today one of copywriting's best kept secrets, which is that you have to do voice of customer research before you can sit down in order for inspiration to flow.